Hello, welcome to your reading for February 2024. The message of this month is obviously about love. So let's see what are the cards telling us. First card is healing and tells me that whatever you have been going through in the past few months, whatever has been changing you, triggering you, causing you hurt or pain, this is a beautiful time to heal your mind, heal your body, so your heart can shine through. And there's a message of control, which reminds us that the healing and the love has nothing to do with control. It's not about controlling emotion. It's not about controlling what is going on. And that might be your tendency, but today is a time to change that and be more organic, more fluid, letting go of the past, letting go of the old way of being, and really, literally rebirthing from the ground, rising like the phoenix and changing, transforming the way you see life. And when you see this beautiful, beautiful card, the number you see in the bottom is a 13, which is a divine feminine card, reminding also that the change that is happening in this month of February has nothing to do with the control, with the rigor, with the doing, but all to do with a feminine allowing things to happen the way they're supposed to happen, letting go of the past and moving forward in the future. Now, let's welcome our 3 card picks. And if you have a question in this month of February, just take a moment either to pause the video or to focus on yourself and say, hey, which card is resonating with me today? Card number 1, card number 2, card number 3. Let's see, card number 1, conditioning. Beautiful card. This card is about reminding you that, yes, you may have been conditioned by your past, by what people will tell you to do, to be, but this is a time to really, literally break the links, let go of the past, and express who you really are. Express your full potential, your full power. So if you pick this card number 1, really break free. This is your time. This is your time for major change. Card number 2, creativity. What do you want to manifest? So if you pick card number 2, that is telling me that you have let go of a lot of things, and this is a time to create, to manifest. And as you say, your manifesting will be stronger, more efficient if you manifest from a place of love and joy and fun, and really have fun. Like, what is happening? What would you like to see coming up for you in this new year 2024 that is already moving forward? It's also telling me that if you are in a relationship and you are trying to make this relationship evolve, get out of what you usually do and improvise and change. Card number 3 is more challenging. It's a card of politics, two faces. So if you pick this card and your question was about special someone, definitely pay attention, because this card is telling me that that someone is not sharing the truth with you. There's really a two faces situation, and be careful. Literally, there's no way to express it. Just watch out, because there's a secret, something you're not aware of. So, last card, just to summarize anything else you should know in this month of February. Fighting. Yeah, it's a reminder. I think it's an echo of this earlier card of controlling, and a reminder that things will happen. This is a time of healing. This is a time of transformation. This is a time of letting go of the old way of controlling, fighting. There's beautiful thing coming up for you, and it's time to fall back in love. Get out of your mind. Experience what you have to experience. Just let things happen, and you will see. You will fall back in love with life and with yourself. Have a wonderful February 2024, and see you next month.